Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Friday morning, March 26th. We're going to talk to you about the grain markets here. Okay, the charts I put in front of you, the row crops, corn and beans, they're trending higher here. So corn is up 3 as we speak. Soybeans are down 3 as we speak. Short-term charts of corn look positive to me, and they're above some of the numbers that I tracked. Corn's going to rally here today and close out the week, so we'll see how good that commentary is here later in the day. All right, so we've got the first chart of corn here in front. You can see it's going to take buying and lots of it to push through this resistance. Remember now the managed funds, they've got more ammo, more power to buy more contracts, and you'll probably see that happen here. So maybe we wait and get this report out of the way, this stocks and acreage report next Wednesday morning. This report Wednesday morning, the USDA has been behind on this demand all along, this Chinese demand, for example, and maybe this will show up in the stocks report Wednesday morning. Certainly, acreage can change April, May, June, so I think the stocks report will be really, really important and focused on. If we do get a bearish spin from acreage report Wednesday morning, I think that's a buying opportunity when markets trade lower here. So we'll see about that. By the way, too, RJO Futures, we're going to do a special report on this Wednesday afternoon, so get signed up for that. Put my name on it if you'd like. I'll make sure you get it. So a really nice report coming from RJO Futures on this report Wednesday. Again, it's a hazardous report. It's hard to analyze, and demand has been stout, and USDA's got to pick it up here and show this. So soybean market this week, we've had limit up moves in soybean oil, limit down moves yesterday in soybean oil. This is the consumer of the world. When their income increases, their diets change, and they want protein. And soybean oil is one of the cheapest proteins ones out there. This is being led by palm oil, for example, and these higher prices on palm oil. You're going to see Malaysia and Indonesia pick it up here on production. High prices certainly does that. So we'll kind of see. The way this is, China's bought our grain markets down to pipeline supply, and maybe there's a supply crisis that lies ahead here. So, the Chinese and the USA met in Alaska, and Henry Kissinger described this as the foothills of a Cold War. So I kind of think that's a good way to describe this here. And so we'll end the week. We'll get this report out of the way Wednesday. It's a big one, and then we'll move forward, and weather's going to be really important. Next chart, you can see soybeans trending higher. The wheat chart, different chart than the row crops. And, as we get into this, a theme, a trade, a spread trade that should work is buying soybeans and selling wheat. And you can look at these charts and just see this. So, the hard red winter wheat ratings on wheat, they're probably going to be higher. Russia's wheat situation is in pretty good shape, so we'll kind of just see maybe strengthened corn can pull wheat up. We'll see about that, and let's all have an excellent weekend.